Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you what Leah's sound font is gonna sound like from the Sunday Night Suicide mod. Alright, so Leah's sound font is gonna sound like this. That is gonna be Leah's sound font for the Sunday Night Suicide. But wait, there's a change here. There's going to be a change here.
First I'll have to put this stupid on.
Wait, hold on, go back. Go back. Wait, hold on. Yeah, stop right there. So you'll notice a change here. So when Leah goes insane and gets really angry, her sound font is going to sound like this. Okay guys, so you hear some big changes here. So her normal sound font is going to sound like Hussein Tito. But when she goes insane, gets angry, or is about to be bipolar, her sound font changes to Faker Sky from the Mask Off registration mod. Oh, and you may be wondering this app right here, right next to the other voice memo. Well, that's my Talking Angela too. So if you guys like my Talking Angela or my Talking Tom, comment down. Alright, bye.